In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive image variant in Figma, allowing your image to smoothly transition between a normal and a zoomed-in view upon hovering. Let's dive right into the process, starting with the initial setup. First things first. On your canvas, select the image you want to work with. Once you've done that, head over to the Design panel, which you can find on the right sidebar. You'll see a little plus icon next to Auto Layout. Go ahead and click on that. Now, we're aiming for a clean slate here, so set both the horizontal and vertical paddings to 0. Next, let's organize our layers for better management. Rename the new frame containing your image to simply Image in the Layers panel. This will make everything easier to locate later on. To proceed, right-click on the image frame you've just created and choose Create Component from the menu. If you're a fan of shortcuts, you can use Command plus Option plus K on a Mac or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. Now, on to creating variants, which is crucial for the hover effect we're aiming to achieve. With your image component selected, again in the Design panel, you'll notice a plus icon next to Variants. Click it. Congratulations, you've just created a second variant, but we're not stopping there. Look for the component set frame, which appears as a purple outline encircling both of the variants. You'll need a bit more space, so drag the bottom right corner to resize this frame, making room for your zoomed-in image. Focus now on the second variant of your image component. It's time to activate the Scale tool. You can press K on your keyboard or simply select it from the toolbar. Click and drag a corner of your image in this second variant to scale it larger, ensuring it's noticeably more zoomed in than the original image. Moving on, let's prototype this transition to bring some interaction into the mix. Switch over to Figma's prototype mode in the top right corner. Select the first variant of your image component and drag a connection noodle to the second variant. An interaction panel will pop up, and you'll want to set your trigger to while hovering. For animation, select Smart Animate, choosing Slow Motion for the easing option, and set the duration to 300 milliseconds. This setup ensures a fluid, stylish transition. Finally, let's test out your design to see all this work in action. Return to Design mode, then create a new frame on your canvas to serve as your test environment. Head to the Assets panel on the left sidebar and drag an instance of your image component, the initial variant, into your test frame. You might want to add some text elements, like a title and a subtitle, around the image. Think along the lines of My Trip and December 2023, adjusting fonts and alignment to your liking. With the image component instance selected, if it's within an auto layout, set its horizontal and vertical alignments to center in the Design panel. In the Constraints section, adjust both horizontal and vertical constraints to center too. To view your prototype in full glory, click the Present icon, shaped like a play button, located at the top right. Hover your mouse over the image in the prototype, and you should see your image smoothly zoom in and out in response, offering a delightful interactive experience.